We're making banana bread. Half teaspoon salt. Plant. Fully completed banana bread. Whisk the dry ingredients together. So that, except you grab the bowl.
I think the other way was better, actually.
Whiskey.
Amber!
Cosmo! Hi, Cosmo. Why do you look so sad? It's a beauty, really. Ain't she a beaut?
Amber!
Bro, are you done yet? What?
Alright, I think that's good. What's next?
Make sure you do this in a bowl that has already been used to bake a batch of banana bread. Over the very heavy sugar. You're gonna need 2/3 cup of this, I think. So, as you can see, 1/3 cup is already in there. That's a second third. Now you're gonna have to add a bit of vegetable shortening, or 3/4 of a stick of butter, or 6 tablespoons of the butter. Softened. Add in a completed banana bread. Make sure it's softened. Is it done? It was all a trick. Forget the 3/4 teaspoon grated lemon zest, you guys. For this, you need a lemon zester specifically. You can't use a grater, it sucks. That's a grater. This is a lemon zester. Well, this is about 3/4 teaspoon around, probably, I assume. No, mix it all up together, medium speed. Soon, we're gonna have to put in 1 to 2 large eggs.
Wait, you gotta go wash the thing.
What thing? Oh man. Top down view, we need to clean this thing off before getting started. Hey Clarissa, I need you to pause it. I can't pause it. I just need to clean it as fast as possible now. It's all about the willpower. Yes, speed turn. Good. All done. Out on a piece of thing, she's risking cracking it like she's doing right now and letting it fall apart because she can't just like friggin' like put out the bread like a normal person. What is this? Why would you do it this way? Huh? Siga. Now we're gonna need to put in 2 large eggs. And then another thing that I forgot. 2 eggs. Egg number 1. Make sure it is mashed evenly. Second egg. Make sure it is mashed evenly. Once you got the banana completely peeled, put it in. Mushy bananas are better, but I don't know what she's thinking. Make sure to put 2 to 3 bananas. Or 1 cup to 1 1/4 cup. If you're being specific for some weird reason. I don't know why you would measure out the amount of mashed bananas you're putting in there. Oh, you're supposed to mash them first, but that's fine. That's a weird instruction. Like, why would you mash them first before putting them into the thing? There we go. Once it's being thoroughly mixed, make sure to add the dry ingredients in 3 parts right here. This is the first part. First third. I think it's good. Oh, let it go here. Wow. Second part, dry ingredients. Oh yeah, really make that a powder everywhere. That was supposed to be the second part. Wait, stop. This is the third part. Third part.
Pero no entiendo que hay un problema.
Whiskey.
Pues sí, pero ¿por qué decir hasta? Pues sí. Quiero.
Now help it with the spoon. Make sure to put the oven at 350. This fool did. Now this fool didn't butter the pan, so it's gonna be really hard to take out. Why are you taking out the butter now? What are you gonna do? What is the goal here? What are you gonna do, bro?
Ay, Dios mío.
What? So that's not gonna work, but alright. So she's trying to put it back, butter the pan, and then put it back in. Might fail. Let's see what happens. It's a really bad buttering job right here.
Okay, mother.
Not much that can be done. Is it all buttered?
Yep. Oh, just in time.
350. Okay.
Papá. Pues, ¿y de qué quieres vivir? ¿De aire quieres vivir vos?
Bro, I thought we were past the mushy banana thing. What are you doing? All done.